morning, everybody. This morning I'm making a grapefruit strawberry fig smoothie, so let's get started. Alright, so I've got all my ingredients out here. I've got my grapefruit, some figs, a little bit of cold water, my almond milk, and then my frozen strawberries. So right now I'm going to go ahead and just dump everything here inside the Vitamix. Super easy. Just dump everything in there. Oops. And put the grapefruit in too. Just like that. Let's put the lid on. Okay, it's all done. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in the glass. And there you go, an easy strawberry grapefruit smoothie. I hope you like. Thanks for watching.